Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to show you how you can recover permanently deleted photos or videos from any Android device. Now, if you want to recover permanently deleted photos and videos from your device, maybe you deleted them mistakenly or due to insufficient space, but now you realize there are some important files, photos, or videos you need back. Don't worry. I'll show you the easiest process to recover them. It's important to have a file manager installed on your device. If you don't have it, you can simply go to the Play Store and install the file manager. So let's get started. First, open up your file manager, then click on Settings. Here you'll see many options. Click on File List. Now you'll see an option for hidden files. If your hidden files option is turned off, simply turn it on. Once it's on, go back to the main screen. Next, search for DCIM. Then click on Camera. Now, you'll see a lot of trash photos or maybe some videos that you deleted before. To restore them, simply click and hold on the photo or video you want to recover. You'll see a More option menu. Click on Rename. Scroll to the right and delete the .trashed extension. Click on Rename again, and that's it. The file will be restored to your gallery and you can find it in the same place where it was lastly deleted. So that's how you can simply recover permanently deleted photos or videos from any Android device. If you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.